Can you all hear me way back in the back?
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hiya, folks. How do you do? Hey, we have up. Be sure to take good care of our pets. The park is very clean. We have been watching it. Oh no! I must have hit that track switch.
With me.
Looks like we're experiencing a great delight. Please remain seated, and we'll get your runaway railway on Runaway again real soon.